Hello and welcome to Krishang French Learning. Today we learn aller verb and will also learn how to conjugate aller verb in present tense. So, friend, let's start. The verb aller means to go. Aller is one of the most common and useful French verbs and has irregular conjugations in most tenses and moods. Though aller is ending er, it is not conjugated like other er ending verbs. It is an exception in er group or verbs. Let us see its conjugations. Aller. To begin, we have laid out the conjugation of aller for le présent, the present tense. Singular. Je vais, I go. Tu vas, you go. Il va, he goes. Elle va, she goes. Plural. Nous allons, we go. Vous allez, you go. Formal. Ils vont, they go. Masculine plural. Elles vont, they go. Feminine plural. You may have noticed that conjugation of aller is highly irregular. In fact, the forms ve, va and wo actually derive from different verbs than allons and aller. Here are some examples of aller in the present tense. Je vais à Paris aujourd'hui. I am going to Paris today. Tu vas à la fête. Are you going to the party? Elle va au marché. She goes to the market. Nous allons au cinéma. We are going to the cinema. Vous allez au gym tous les jours. You go to the gym every day. Ils vont au magasin. They were going to the shops. So, that's all for the day. We will meet in my next video. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.